day to you and how you be, everybody. Jan Agosto here and welcome to Taino Inc. Today we are printing. We're printing a brand today. A client came, his name is Tali, and he's the owner of Portmore Apparel. Seen the design, beautiful design. He's selling it online. I'll have the description down below if you're interested in getting some of these shirts. But Portmore is based in Jamaica, the Caribbean. It's a town over there, but love it, beautiful. So he told me that he has done the vinyl, the super color, the heat press. He just was not satisfied with the results. He wanted to go official, and when you're gonna go official, that means screen printing. You're gonna go screen printing, it's gonna come out beautiful. These prints are gonna come out crispy, you know? So what he told me that he already has all the apparel. So he brings me all the apparel, all boxed up. Once I open them up, I realize every apparel is bagged up like this. First time I go through this, and I'm bagging most of the hoodies right now. And a quick question, comment down below if you have, do you charge people for that? And if you do, how much? You know, because I never done that, but I see that it's very time consuming to bag every individual apparel, especially if it's a lot. But before we start, I have some great news. So the great news today is that this video is sponsored by Printavo. Printavo is a simple shop management software that will help you streamline your business, keep jobs moving forward, organize, and most important, keep everyone on the same page. Whether you are a big shop with a lot of employees or a small mom and pop shop, the way I am here, Printavo is perfect for you. This software does scheduling, quoting, approvals, payments, customer communication, automation, online stores, and more. With Printavo, you will work smarter, not harder. I just got this software for about 2 months. I've been using it, and let me tell you, if there was something I could change when I started screen printing, it was getting this management software from the beginning. I don't know why I waited so long, but it does really help you, especially dealing with clients and sending quotes and sending invoices. This software is amazing. I'm learning, getting the hang of it. But the good thing is that since they're sponsoring today's video, Printavo is giving away $50 off the first month who using the link in the description down below, or go to printavo.com and type in Taino Inc. Use that as a promo code and you'll get that $50 the first month. So make sure you go check it out. Now, let's get printing. So today we're gonna watch how you print a clothing brand. Let's do this. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna be working on is those hoodies right there. Those hoodies require a print on the front, a print on the back, and neck labels. Then comes the cutoff hoodies for the females, which only requires a print on the front, neck labels, then the t-shirts, front, back, print, neck labels. Then the sweatpants, which are gonna be using my sleeve palette. That is a print on the front and the little label. And you're gonna see later on where am I gonna place that label when it comes to the sweatpants. And then finish it off with the gray hoodies I got back there. That's a black print on those, makes my job a little easier. Same thing, hoodies, t-shirts, sweatpants. But all of them are gonna be getting this, a flattened screen. I'm gonna make sure that that print comes out nice and smooth. And maybe at the end, I give them as a bonus, depending how I feel. I'll take it to the heat press just to give it a nice smooth feel when it comes to a clothing brand. So right now, let's get started printing. Alrighty, all the chest prints are all done on the dark fabrics. I got the hoodies, I got the t-shirts and the cut off hoodies. The cut off hoodies, no back print, but the hoodies and the t-shirts, back print. Already doing a little sample here, right here, checking it out. If you have any issues with when you're printing and there's some ink is not coming out, maybe a little grease or something, come on, just use a little Windex, wipe it around the little part that you want out, and it'll come out. Now, I'm gonna tell you, this took me about 6 hours to print. There's about 130 hoodies here and shirts. But the reason why is because this camera right here takes you a little longer. So I'm expecting another 5 hours here today and finish it off. And then tomorrow I come in and, oh man, get with the gray hoodies. Black print, easy print and go to the conveyor dryer, no problem. And then I'll start the next day, I'll do the pants and the neck labels. So it's gonna take me about 2 to 3 days, but oh man, it's a lot of work coming up, man. So let's get started. Okay, all hoodies are done, front and back print. I still gotta get the label going. Now I'm gonna clean up the screen, getting ready for the black so I can print the white and gray hoodies. That will be on the next video. But now, if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.